Hi everybody, my name is Rene and I'm a children's guide with the Anythink Library District, and I'm here to talk about one of my favorite things in the world, Disney World. I got to take my first trip to Disney World in 1997. As an adult, it was the very first vacation I ever paid for on my own. It was the first time I ever took a plane across country, and it was the first time I ever visited the state of Florida. And when I got there, the first thing I did was I threw my luggage into my hotel room and I headed straight for the Magic Kingdom because I wanted to see Cinderella's castle. And what I didn't realize was it was the 25th birthday of Walt Disney World, and they had transformed Cinderella's castle into this huge, giant pink castle birthday cake. And that night, as I was standing next to that castle watching fireworks, I didn't know that I had chosen to stand in a spot where Tinkerbell was going to fly right over my head. And she did. And in that moment, with Tinkerbell and fireworks and smells and sounds and a big pink birthday cake, I got so emotional and I started crying and kept talking to myself, I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I did this. And it is actually one of the most precious moments of my entire life. And ever since then, I've tried to get back to Disney World every few years, and now I have my family to take. And we were scheduled to go this year, and it didn't happen. And so I was trying to find a way to make that Disney magic happen at my home, and we decided to just have a fun Disney vacation day. And if you don't mind, I'd like to share a little bit with you right now. So thank you so much for allowing me to share some of my Disney love with you today. My family had such a good time hanging out with each other and trying to recreate all of these special Disney moments. If this activity looked like something that you might want to do with your own family, recreating your dream vacation at home is actually one of the My Summer challenges that we have for you at Anythink this year. And I would highly encourage you to just go for it. Think hard on your favorite vacation, what it is you loved about it, and see what you could do to bring that experience into your home. And then we would love to hear about it. Feel free to post any stories or activities you come up with down below, or go on social media and share it with the hashtag MySummerChallenge. I really hope that you are happy and well, and I wish you the most wonderful summer.